Deciding what and where to study next is a big deal, and it can be a stressful process for millions of students and recruiters. Most students settle for the first few options available, even if it's not a clear match or what they truly desire. Even when they come to the right decision, they're faced with an even more stressful process of figuring out how to apply and filling out the application form, paying fees, and getting the required documentation for the program of their choice. This is why Univacity was created for students, recruiters, and institutes. Univacity is a simplified, common application platform that allows students and recruiters to discover, search, compare, and apply to institutes and programs all around the world in an easy and intuitive way. Univacity makes it simple for students and recruiters to search for programs based on country, tuition, language, degree, duration, and other criteria, allowing them to find a program that is a better fit for them. Thanks to our advanced program matching and search API that's second to none. Applying to the program of your choice is an even simpler process. Univacity connects students and recruiters directly to the institute, making it easier to follow up on the application process and pay for application, acceptance, and tuition fees directly from the platform. Recruiters will be able to easily manage multiple students, work with thousands of institutes worldwide, and earn massive commission and rewards directly from the institute, allowing them to focus on what they do best, guiding and counseling students in making better decisions. Univacity puts the institutes in front of millions of students worldwide, which enables the institute to expand to new markets and increase diversity in its programs. Easily review and follow up on all applications directly from the portal. We also provide both local and one-on-one support to students through our relationships with thousands of accredited agencies and recruiters all over the world, hence simplifying the admission and visa process. We do all of the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best and grow your institute. Univacity is much more than an admissions portal. Through our ecosystem of products and services, we are making education globally attainable to all students all over the world. Send an email to hi@univacity.com to join our ecosystem and empower the mission. Univacity, your study partner.